Look, you want me to go get a haircut, right?
I do.
I guarantee that we win by 20. If we don't win by 20, then I'll let you and the kids cut my hair.
This looks really good.
Please fix my head.
All right. Looking good. What do you think so far?
I think I don't never bet no child. Usually I don't play fair.
No. We played fair.
Yeah.
You just lost.
Yeah. Still, I would have made you cut your head.
Well, honey, I wouldn't have bet you my hair.
Just give me all ear real quick so when I walk in the barbershop I don't get laughed at.
Well, I don't know about that. We might have already missed that ship.
And you need all that extra hair knocked off real quick.
Hey man, what you look like? Why you look like you giving me the George Jefferson?
I don't know, I like it. You might want to start a new trend.
Nah, man. We in Texas, they already got that one hairstyle where they leave some in the back, the ducktail. I don't need it on the side. This ain't the 90s.
I know, but
Just knock all the extra hair off me so I can go in and get a cut.
now you want to go get a cut. But me and the kids already hooked you up.
Man, it looked like y'all trying to give me the chili, the opposite of the chili bowl. You look like you trying to do, I see you in the mirror. I got hair on my side.
I like it. Ain't you supposed to do something with your ear? Don't you hold your ear down or something?
Man,
If you want to keep your ear, you're going to hold it down. You able to move the tip of your finger back too?
you tickling my ear.
I can't say. You don't listen to me anyway. What you need them ears for?
Yeah. Maybe you go in.
I was just kidding, man.
All right, man. How you feel about this ear? You want to keep it?
Yes,
There you go. Okay, we're gonna go. We're gonna go this way right here. Okay. Let's see here. I think that looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. I did a thing.
It looks better than what it did.
I did a thing.
It looks
You
terrible.
want me to do your edge up?
Nah, man, let's knock all that extra hair off my head so it don't get cut.
I'm gonna give you a little curl in the back.
A curl in the back.
Funny story. The kids told me that you don't like my cooking. You know anything about that?
Oh no, man, no. They got love trying your vegan experiments. I was just kidding. Love vegan experiment. Why, you gonna take off the guard and try to cut my head or something?
I might.